Hello everybody, I'm Akhilesh Pratap and this is the demonstration of my capstone project which is YouTube subscriber. Today I will show you my source folder and my website. So first we go through my source code which is of YouTube subscriber. So this includes my src file .env, it ignore index.js, package, log.json and JSON. So let's look to package.json. So this file includes the name of my label of my app and dependencies. So the dependencies are .env, Express, Mongoose, Node.1, and more like this. So let's move to the source folder, src folder, which contains another folder which is of models. So in the model folder, it has a file which is subscriber.js. So in this file, I have defined the schema of my schema where the data, how the data will be stored in my database. So this is the basic structure of my file, and this is the schema wrapper, which is my subscriber model. So next, get through my app.js. So app.js is my file where I have used the two middleware express.json and express.url encoded, and I have used routes. You can see I have written routes which are different, like subscriber.name. There, these are the get requests, subscriber by ID, and some are post requests which add the subscriber, which are subscriber.add, and subscriber will delete. You can see this route, which is subscriber delete ID. So this is a delete request, which I will be implementing through the postman and these two requests. Okay, so this is my create database file. So create database file, only just create the data and push my data to my database. So here you can see there are two URI or URL database URL. So first one you can see is of my local, and second when I will uncomment this, so it will store my data to my database URL. Sorry, database to my MongoDB address. So let's create. Uh, Before creating, I will tell you this another file, which is data file, which is a mock data which will be pushed to my database. This is index HTML file, and these are git ignore, which include .env node modules. Index.js is my server file or index.js file where my app will listen and the server will be started and Mongoose will be connected. So here I have used Mongoose to connect to MongoDB database. So let's first start the let's first create the let's first create the database. Here, as I will show you, this is my local host, and you cannot see any database like subscriber. This is my Amazon. These are my databases. So university student. So you cannot see the subscriber database. So let's create it in the local. So as you can see, this is my create database file, and I have switched to my local URI, which is this. So let's create it. This is node create database.js. Okay, let's create it. So as you can see, database is created. So let's look to our MongoDB compass, and as soon as I refresh it, you can see another database, which is the subscribers. You can see. So let's disconnect it and create another database to the MongoDB address. Let's create it, connect to my MongoDB address. So here you can see this is my interface of address. As I refresh it, you cannot see any subscriber. So let's create subscriber here. I will uncomment this one URL and uncomment this one. Okay, let's save it and let's run this again. Let's see. You can see database created and let's see our as soon as I refresh it, you can see YouTube subscriber. I have changed the name to YouTube subscriber to avoid confusion and you can see subscribers, mock subscribers. So if I will show you this on my atlas, you can see this. Uh, if I will refresh this, it should reflect on my atlas also. Yes, you can see YouTube subscriber. Okay, so let's start the server and see how the app works. So first, I'm using my localhost server. Okay, so in index.js, I will switch to my localhost server, which is this, and comment this. So first, create and use our app in this. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is my GitHub repository where I have pushed my code. So you can see this is my repository, and I have pushed my code. This includes the about section. This is the direct website where I have deployed my code. And going below, this is the README file, which includes everything. Introduction used in this project. Okay, using this project, the steps, how to use this. Step one, step two, how my website look like, how to perform operation. Everything is explained in this README file. So this is my README file. So let's start the server. Let's start the server and use my I will disconnect it and connect with my local host. So let's start the server and see how the app is working. So I will write npm start. Okay. So connect it to database. Okay, as I can see here, connected to database. Port, so app is listening on port 3000. So let's start the server, which is localhost 3000. So this is the UI of my app, and this is all about how this is the interface which user sees and uses these methods to get um, add subscriber. So let's go through this first localhost and I will first use this method which is get subscribers. This method which is get subscribers. Okay, let's get some subscribers. Subscribers as it after generating. As you can see, we can fetch and it's come in the form of array all our subscribers. So let's try second one, which is getting the subscriber by names. Okay, so when I slash names, okay. So here you can see I am only getting the name and the subscribe channel. Okay, so let's do third one, which is getting subscriber by ID. Getting subscriber by ID. So for this, I have to copy the first ID of Mr. Jared Gross. Okay, turn on name. Okay, so this is slash the ID. Okay, so I'm getting and I can fetch my ID. So if I will do any wrong ID, let's try this. If I will put anything wrong with ID, so it will throw me an error. Subscriber doesn't exist with the given ID. Okay. So this route is working fine. So let's add and delete subscriber. So for this, I'm using Postman for this. So for adding and deleting subscriber, I'm using Postman. You can use any of it like Insomnia and any other. Okay, this is already okay. So I am working on my local host. So I will put this on my Postman and I'm using add. I'm posting post. So somebody this name okay for this console. Okay, so I will put something else like Almabetter, Almabetter, and this is channel name awesome and learning awesome learning. Let's post this. So while posting, okay, I have messed something. Driver slash add. Oh, I have used wrong route. So this is added. So this thing is added. Okay. So let's go through the web page and see and fetch again the subscriber. So you can see this is coming here. Alma Beta and you can see the time and date now. Okay. So let's delete. So let's delete this Alma Beta and we will copy this ID and going back to Postman and we are just writing delete, delete and then passing the ID and taking the request delete and sending. Subscriber deleted successfully. So let's use this. Sorry, my code. Let's go to YouTube subscribers and refresh this page. So as you can see, the Almabetter has come. So this is all our routes are working perfectly. All our requests are working great. So this is from the local host and I'm using my MongoDB URI to use this uh, connecting to database. I'm using localhost. So if I want to use MongoDB URI and I have hosted my website on render.com. So let's go through this. Okay. So let me close these all and that's okay. So this is our web interface. So web can see I have hosted this on render.com. It's my website. So as a base URL which I'm using for localhost, now I can use this So let's get subscribers. Okay, subscribers, subscribers. I'm fetching subscribers. So as you can see, the subscriber are fetching. I will connect to my main cluster, which is Akhilesh TV. So you can see that the database which we have created, YouTube subscriber, it is fetching subscribers from there. As you can see, yes, this is working. So let's use another. Okay, this, I should duplicate this. Okay, I'm using this. So let's make a request. Slash names, fetch by names. Okay, this. Okay. So next one is I will fetch by ID. So subscribers slash ID. Yes, you can see this. We have successfully fetched our subscriber with ID. So next thing is this. We will use add and delete method in this also. So I'm again using Postman, but this time I'm using this, this link, which is my deployed link, and here I'm using and setting post request and body, which I will include Almabetter, not Almabetter this time, name, Taco, any name, and this is Taco learning, and I will make this request. So no wrong phone, so I have something subscribers slash add. So this is added. So this is added. Okay. So yeah, if I will fetch this, uh, I will fetch my subscriber here. So it should be added. So you can see Taco and Taco learning, and this is my time and ID. So let's delete this one only. So let's copy the ID, which is I'm copying the ID here and making the delete request instead of this subscriber delete and just pasting the ID. Okay, so I'm making a delete request. You can see subscriber deleted successfully. So if I will again fetch, so you can see the it has gone. Okay, so this is all about my project. So we have successfully fetched and made all the requests, and this is working fine. So thank you and have a good day.